Hello everyone, welcome once again. Good day. My name is David Adeniji and this is Thinkally School Management Software. This is Thinkally tutorial and we've started a tutorial for quite a while. If you are just joining in this tutorial, you could check the page for all the tutorials available. As a matter of fact, there is a tutorial for every aspect of the software. In this very tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you how to send mails and how to send SMS. First, you could send bulk SMS, you could send mail, how to send mails and how to send SMS with Thinkally. Let me show you from the beginning. Let me log out and then log in into a particular school's into a particular school's account. In this case, it's a demo school that I've been using all throughout the tutorial. Now, very easy. I head on to the mail stroke SMS module. Can you see it? Mail stroke SMS. I click it and I come here. It is supposed to show me a history of all of the mails and SMSs that have been sent before now, but here there is none has been sent. Good for me. Let me just click add a mail or SMS. You can send emails seamlessly to any of the users. It is very, very, very wonderful. How do I do it? Say I want to send an SMS to all of the students. I click student as the row or maybe user category for which school year. Of course, the default school year that we are in, and then for which class. Let me pick this class. For which student, I don't want to specify. If I don't select anything here, it helps me. It sends to all of the students. Remember that when we were registering the students, there was a field for email. And if you think, oh well, I don't want the students to get the emails. Besides, many of them may not even see the mails. Do they all have email addresses? Let me send to the parents instead. Let me send to the parents. Which of the parents? No, I'm not going to specify. Let it go to all the parents. Which template? I hadn't created any template before because I'm going to show you how to create templates. There are ways to how you could have created pre-created templates before sending the SMS. Okay. Now, what is the subject of the mail? I could send SMS too, but I'm starting with email. What is the subject? I can say thank you for your support. So I compose the mail. Hello parents, we are thanking you all, and so on. Yours sincerely or yours faithfully. Okay, so what do? I just send the mail. That's all. I send the mail. Do I know any of the emails of the parents? Yes. I don't. These are the mails. So if the mails are sent, I won't know, but then they will all have received the mails. I'm very sure about that. What do I do next? I click send. That's it. The mail is sent. The mail has just been sent to the list of students, the list of parents that we delivered them to. So thank you very much for staying around in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be continuing. I don't know what to teach. What I'm going to teach you in the next tutorial, maybe how to create online examination. But thank you for being here. I'll meet you in the next tutorial.